there, I'm Jenna from SnowboardsDOTcom. I've got Peter, the ride binding engineer here, and we're going to talk a little bit about the bindings and a little bit about him as well. So Peter, how long have you been riding? How long have you been working for Ride?
I've been riding for, a long time. I guess the early 90s. And I've been working with Ride for over 7 years now. So it's been a lot of fun. Time flies. I can't believe it's been 7 years.
So what got you into bindings versus boots or boards?
I've always been pretty mechanically inclined, always tinkering around in the shop and trying to make creations ever since I was a little kid. And I don't know, bindings have always interested me. They're very mechanical. There's a lot of components, a lot of parts, a lot of tech in there.
A lot of visual tech too. It's stuff that you can see and feel and actually,
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, boards and boots, they definitely have tech. It's a little bit more hidden in there, but a binding, a ratchet's front and center, or people are really focused on a high back and how it works, or a footbed, or a base plate and the adjustment, and there's just so much stuff you can do with them. That's always really, really interests me. Just always a new challenge.
Great. And so what do you feel really makes your binding stand apart from maybe some of the other brands out there?
Ride, we've always been focused on high quality performance materials and performance bindings. One thing we're really known for is our aluminum base plate, heel cup, and disc. That makes a really high quality performance binding. It's the same stuff that they use in airplanes, and so and we back that up. We back up our.
It's okay. I'm sure it's been a long show for you.
So we're so confident in our materials and our product that we back it up with a lifetime warranty. So, that's one thing that really stands out. The other thing that stands out for Ride is that we have a lot of tech that actually improves the experience of snowboarding. It makes it more fun, more comfortable, easier to do. And certain things like our slime back, which is our urethane high back. We use that material in a variety of different ways, and we can design a high back with that material to be a super forgiving, fun binding at the low end, but then we can also design a high back using that material to be a higher performance jibbing or big park, super durable bomber high back. That's the thing that really sets us apart. Other things like our wedgie footbeds, which we were industry leading in about 5 years ago, came out with our subtly canted footbeds that really just line up your ankles and knees, something you don't really notice until you go back to flat footbeds.
Sure.
And we offer a lot of these features throughout our entire line from top to bottom. We're just confident that this is going to improve snowboarding. It's going to push the sport to the next level and make it more fun.
So I know you're probably on all these bindings all the time, testing, tweaking, but what binding's kind of your go-to binding, or the one you really pull out of the box most of the time?
I'd say the Rodeo is just my go-to. It's a super fun, flexy binding, messing around in the park or just dorking around on the hill. I love that binding. The Stealth High Back's great. And then of course I'm on everything else. I'm always on some Franken bindings. We have Franken colorways, which is kind of taken from seeing me and riding my mix match bindings. I'm trying out this high back, trying out that ankle strap. So it's just fun to get out on a whole bunch of different stuff.
Great. Well, thank you. Appreciate the time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out SnowboardsDOTcom for all the latest ride product and get on some of Pete's new ride bindings. Thanks for watching.